Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Mossé Cybersecurity Institute. Because everyone right now has to work remotely, complete training online, and you need to still be able to upskill your team members remotely, we wanted to show you how just with a free account in MCSI's online learning platform, you can train your team at scale anywhere in the world, anytime they want to do the training with practical cybersecurity exercises. And it takes under a minute to organize. So let's get started. So step one, what you want to do is create a free account or log in. So I'll log in because I've already got an account, and that's it. Now step two is you want to choose the practical exercise your team wants to do. So we're exercises, and let's say for this video we want to train a red team, and we want our red team to learn how to write malware that automatically bypasses the UAC. So here's the exercise. And then what we'll do is we'll just send the team an email. So just say, we'll let the team know. We'll say thank you at the end, just as a little be nice, but that's it. So we'll send them the email. The team, you've given them in this case a week to do it, and once they've completed the exercise, it'll be reviewed by our instructors here at our team, and they'll get a certificate of completion, which they can send back to you as the manager. So you can see that they've done the exercise, and that's it. That's how you can use practical cybersecurity training through MCSI's online learning platform. Get it set up in under a minute and start training your team immediately. So we look forward to seeing your team's exercises come through soon, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.